no work, no money. So can you imagine that? It's like me. I've been living in my house now for 28 years. We always have a nice car. Sabi, akala ng mga tao mayaman ako kasi umabot kasi doon mayaman. And sa akin, I don't look at myself na mayaman kasi I still work. I don't look at myself as financial free kasi I'm still working. My husband's still working. So, hindi ko lang alam kung anong meaning ng bawat tao sa yaman. So, sa akin naman, nang ma-reach ang financial freedom, kasi ang financial freedom talaga, kasi kung marami ang pera, hindi ka financially free. Marami ka namang time, walang pera. Yung financial freedom, di ba? So, kailangan magkaroon ka ng dalawa. You need to have the time and money. So, ma-reach ko ang ganyan na I can travel anywhere in the world. Tomorrow, if I want to apply to Paris, I can do it. Wala akong boss, wala akong magpapalam sa boss ko. No, I've been going to the Philippines every month. Alam mo dito sa US, mga tao, they only have 3 weeks vacation in a year. They have to save 1 year, 2 years to go to the Philippines. And I've been going to the Philippines every month. I travel in Europe, I travel everywhere. For me, that's now I can consider myself financial freedom because I have the freedom to go anywhere. Wala akong boss, and I can make the money I want to make, and I can travel anywhere I want to travel. Wala akong utang. I have a lot of assets. Then now I can call myself financially free. But at the time when nagtatrabaho pa ako, I don't look at myself financially free. Kasi I'm still working. I'm still working for the money. So, sa inyo naman na I know you probably know Robert Kiyosaki, right? Si Robert Kiyosaki, everybody knows Robert Kiyosaki.
Yes, ma'am.
Di ba? Nakakalam pa yun, di ba? So, si Robert Kiyosaki, sabi niya, siya ang author ng Poor Dad, Rich Dad. Sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, in life, kahit saan kang part ng mundo, there's only 4
Yeah, stop, John. A moment.
Sorry?
Sorry, Ate. Yes, we know Robert Kiyosaki.
Okay, thank you. So, can you imagine that sabi niya? Ako kasi, I learned self-development. I always watch video, I read books, and that's how I na-enhance ko ang aking sarili. Kasi if you develop self-confidence, wala makapigil sa iyo. You can do whatever you want. Kasi nagiging strong ka. So ang nangyari for the last 20 years, that's what I've been doing. I read books. I watch video about if you ask me kung manood ako ng soap opera or I rather watch a video about self-development, about mga inspiring story ng mga tao. I rather watch inspiring story. I rather watch yung ang self-development na makapag-enhance ng sarili ko. Kasi ang self-development is the biggest investment na maibibigay mo sa sarili mo. Kasi once magkaroon ka ng ganoon, wala makatakol sa iyo, wala makabreakdown sa iyo. Kasi isipin mo isasabi na the first million to make is the hardest. But once you lose it, you know how to make it again. So, I used to make millions. I lose it, I make it again now. Kasi I know myself, right? So, kailangan natin kilalanin sarili natin. Na ang kalaban natin, hindi ibang tao. Ang kalaban natin, sarili natin. Kasi ano pang sasabihin ng ibang tao? Pag kilala mo sarili mo, kung alam mo kung saan ka pupunta, wala naman makapigil sa iyo. Alam mo ba ang success natin hindi nag-depend sa tao? Only depend on us. Kung ibang mga tao mag-quit sa business mo, ikaw, habang nakatindi ka pa dyan, you're still strong, you can still be successful. Sa akin, it doesn't matter me. People quit, continue, it doesn't matter me. I still keep going. Kasi ang success ko, hindi depend sa tao. It only depends on me. The only thing I feel, kung ako mismo sarili ko mag-stop. But if the people applying down the sideline, if you quit, ikaw naman ay nasa dyan pa, and then you still working, you still believe in yourself, you still believe in the company, you can still succeed. Ang success mo, of course, we are here to help you. Pero ang success mo, nagdidepend lang talaga sa sarili mo. Kasi kung gusto mo ng isang bagay, wala makapigil sa'yo. So, ang sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, sa left quadrant, most of the people, 95% of people work 9 to 5, living paycheck to paycheck. Diyan ako galing. Diyan, dito sa US, 95% of people, that's what they do. They live paycheck to paycheck. So, they have a nice car. But the moment they stop working for 3 months, they lost their house, they lost their car. Alam ko, at bakit alam ko? Kaya nakikita ko sa mga friend ko na they work to a job, they live in a nice house, drive a nice car. Nagkaroon ng health issues, ng whole problem. Tumigil sa trabaho. Dito kasi sa US, kung hindi ka magbayad ng bahay mo ng 3 to 4 months, they will repossess your house. If you don't pay your car for 3 to 4 months, paglabas mo sa pintuan mo, wala ng kotse mo. During the night, ginto na ng kotse mo ng company. They don't ask you. If you don't pay your electric bill, magulat ka na lang, wala kang ilaw. So, they will, so, so, ang mga tao sa US, they of course, they live in a nice house, nice life, lifestyle is very good, ang lifestyle mayaman, pero it also comes with a lot of, responsibility, right? You have to make sure you make money, mag-make the money, you can also lose everything. So, naintindihan ko yan. So, 9 to 5, 95% people, yun talaga ang trabaho sa US. So, galing din ako dyan. So, ngayon, mga tao naman sabi nila, pagod na ako sa pagtatrabaho, ayoko na magtrabaho. I'm so tired of doing the same thing over and over. Gigising lang maaga, pasok sa trabaho, then the same thing over and over again. Nakakapagod na. Sabi nila, mag-open ako ng sarili kong business. Small coffee shop, small restaurant. Kung may sarili kang business, una kang pupunta, uli ka rin lalabas. In 5 years na nakalipas, sabi mo, sandali lang, na-miss mo na ang wedding, mga activities ng anak mo, hindi ka na makapagbakasyon kasi nakatali ka sa business mo. So ngayon, sabihin mo, sandali lang, akala ko ba may-ari ako ng business? Ang business lang may-ari sa akin. So doon mo realize, ang mangyari kasi lahat ng mga business, lalo na pa mga traditional business, dito lalo sa Pilipinas, sa US, you always give yourself 5 years, kahit na small company, big company. Pag nakalagpas ka ng 5 years, ibig sabihin may pag-asa ka mabuhay. Pag hindi ka lang magpas ng 5 years, sasarado mong company mo. That means you can go nowhere. Dito yan talaga ang lahat ng business sa US, yan talaga ang patakaran. If you cannot make it after 5 years, you're not gonna make it. But if you make it in 5 years, may pag-asa ka. So, ang sa kabilang quadrant, sabi ni Robert Kiyosaki, yun talaga ang ating tsansa na maging mayaman. So, meron kang 1,000 people that working for you, na hindi lang ikaw ang responsible sa income mo. Can you imagine that if you work 9 to 5, ikaw lang nagtatrabaho, sarili mo lang. Kung hindi ka magtrabaho, wala kang income. Ikaw lang talaga ang 100% responsible sa income mo. So can you imagine that sa ating business na ito? Right now, I have more than 3,000 people all over the world. Europe, Philippines, Africa, US. Na habang natutulog ako, there's thousands of people na nagtatrabaho na responsible sa income ko. Can you imagine that? It's called leveraging, right? So, hindi ako nag-worry na if I don't work today, if I don't work tomorrow, wala akong income. Kasi may mga tao pa nagtatrabaho maliban sa akin. So, sabi ni Rob, tingnan mo ang mga tao tulad ng dito sa US, Costco, Walmart, sa Pilipinas, SM, ang mga may-ari niyan, mga anak nila, isang multi-billionaire. Pero hindi mo sila makikita doon sa loob ng tindahan. Dahil meron sang thousands of people na nagtrabaho sa kanila. Right? So, sa atin to, this is it. Hindi tayo maka-afford mag-open ng company na we're gonna spend hundreds of millions of capital. Can you imagine that sa networking? We can start with $20 and become multi-millionaire a year, 2 years from now. Dahil sa ating, we're building our business. Alam mo ba si Donald Trump, I'm sure you guys know Donald Trump used to be the president of Philippines or US. Alam mo ba siya naging spokesperson ng isang company ko dati na I met him 3 times already sa aming convention. Alam mo ba ang tanong kay Donald Trump? If you lose, kasi he's a billionaire, if you lose your billion today, sabi niya kay Donald Trump, anong gagawin mo? Sabi ni Donald Trump, if I lose my billion today, if I have to start all over again, sabi niya, I will find a good networking company and I will work hard and make millions. Can you imagine that coming from a president of the used to be president of that is isang spokesperson ng aming company, coming from a multi-billionaire, ginasabi niya. Kasi siya nagpo-promote ang company namin dati. bago siya nag-president. Can you imagine that? Sabi niya, coming from a multi-billionaire, if I lose my billions today, I will find a good networking company and work hard and make millions. Sabi niya, sa networking ka lang kakita ng millions na wala kang investment na million. Ang investment mo laway at saka tiyaga. So the other way of making money sa right quadrant, the money is working for you, yun ang investment. So lahat ng mga ibang company, walang investment. Ano lang, they make 1, 2, 3 fast money, but they also lost money 1, 2, 3. So dito, binibuild natin kayamanan natin, tsaka kayamanan ng anak natin. Kasi ang pira natin ngayon, kung sino may hawak ng UTIC token, kung sino may hawak ng NFT, kung sino may token, we are already shareholder ng company. So our money is working for us. Habang tumataas ang value ng company, tumataas din ang ating value ng ating pera. So we sa right quadrant, now we have people working for us and we have money working for us. The company na ito ang meron. Kasi ibang mga company, you can work for 5 years, 7 years, hindi ka stockholder, shareholder ng company. Nagtinda ka, may pera ka. The moment you stop tinda, wala rin ka rin pera. So, ang company natin na hawak pa, technology. Can you imagine guys, AI is the number 1 market in the whole world. Hindi tayo third party. We created it. Kung si ChatGPT nagiging worth hundreds of billion dollars today, na nag-stop na ng acquiring ng data a year ago, ang ating Maya is live and active. Gagamitin pa sa buong TV, sa kutsi, sa lahat. Can you imagine that where we're gonna be? That's only one project na tayo ang gumawa. Second, ang ating Umito World na parang Facebook. You guys, this is amazing project. Hindi ito magagamit ng buong mundo. Pag wala silang UTIC token, kung gusto na mag-advertise ng ating kung gusto na maging makapasok doon sa ating Umito World, na makapagamit sila ng lahat ng mga option doon. You cannot do it kung hindi sila bibilang UTIC token buong mundo. Remember, 30 million na token sa buong mundo. And later on, billion ang gagamit nito. Ang ating UTIC token, magiging worth $10, $20, guys. So, lahat nito may hawak ng token, small or large, is gonna make a lot of money. Kasi, biniburn ng company, 70 million, 30 million lang. Pag ang ating NFT, pag mag 1 billion ang company, can you imagine that, guys? Ang 1,000 mo, magiging 30,000. That's 29 times more. But like 5 billion, nagiging 150,000. Can you imagine that in the Philippines? Mayari ka lang isang NFT. NFT is gonna be 150,000. Kahit itinda mo yun. Ang 150,000 is gonna be worth what? 17, 8 million? Or I don't know how many. Maybe 8 million in the Philippines. Maraming buhay mababago. Kailangan natin ng tiyaga. No? Tiyaga lang talaga. Okay. Lahat ng mayaman sa Amerika, tiyaga naman, hindi naman siya yumaman ng overnight. Alam mo ba si Warren Buffett, one of the richest men in the world, na nag-invest, ang kanyang pera kumita sa investment. Can you imagine that? Nagsimula pala siyang kumita ng kanyang first 1 million at the age of 64. He is now over 90 years old. Ang asset niya ngayon is $103 billion. Nagtyaga din siya, di ba? Hindi naman naging overnight. Kaya sabi niya, akala ng mga tao, lahat ng investment ko kumita ka ng billion. I also lost billions, but I also make billions. Can you imagine that ngayon dito sa US, si Stefano nakakuha ng mga investor sa ating company. Dahil nagbibilib sila sa technology. People who are investing 10 million, 5 million, 20 million. Ngayon sa ating si Marinelli, magkipag-meet sa week na ito sa one of the biggest company, mag-invest ng billion sa ating company. Nagtataas din ang ating valuation. So, itong mga company na ito na worth billions of, hundreds of billions company, naniniwala sa ating company, mag-invest ng billion. Tayo, hindi natin kailangan mag-invest dito ng million or billion dollars pa natin. We can invest with $20 or more, we can always add it more. Para tayo pag-asa ba ng araw magiging multi-millionaire or even billionaire. So, dito sa US, dito, mga tao dito, alam ko, nag-invest sa technology. Why? $1 trillion nag-invest kay Mark Zuckerberg para gumawa ng metaverse. Natawag ngayon ang Facebook is Meta. Can you imagine that? Nakakuha sila ng $1 trillion investors. Dahil dito sa US, ang mga mayaman dito, na maniniwala sa technology, nag-invest sila ng million and billions of dollars sa technology. Sa atin, wala naman tayong million, wala naman tayong billion para i-invest. But we have, $20, $100, $1,000, and then we can do business. So, kaya sabi ko, tiga lang talaga. I know already couple people sa business sa Zoom na ito is going to become multi-millionaire. They are multi-millionaire now. They're gonna be more millionaires probably not in peso but dollars palang araw. So, kailangan natin ng puting tiyaga. Kung ako nga nagsatiyaga na I used to make a lot of money and now I'm spending my own money para matulungan ang Pilipinas. Nagsatiyaga ako. I didn't give up on you guys. Can you imagine that? I go back to the Philippines now 7 times in just a matter of more than a year. I spend a lot of money. Nagpunta ako na sa Pilipinas, I spend $10,000, $15,000 sa airline tickets, hotel, sa mga expenses. Pagbalik ko, pumasok. Hindi pa wala pa nga 1,000 kasi pumasok lang $20, $20. Pero hindi ako na-discouraged because I believe one day, mag-grow ng Pilipinas. One day, lalago din. Now, I can probably say yes. We come a long way. Kasi ang Pilipinas is approaching now 3,000, almost 3,000 members. And then they are now growing not only the Philippines but all over the world. So can you imagine that from $20, magkakaroon ka ng multi-billion company na hindi lang ang business mo nag-grow sa Pilipinas but also all over the world. Think about that, guys. I'm here to help you sa US. I'm here to help you in Europe. I wish I could be everywhere. Pero dahil sa Zoom na ito, we can do business all over the world. I can support you sa business through this kasi I already experienced it. Na during COVID time, naakala ko hindi ako makatravel kasi I used to travel a lot sa isang company ko. Nang nag-COVID na, sabi ko sa asawa ko, I'm really a little bit worried na hindi ako makapag-travel. I'm gonna lose the income that I used to make. Tapos, actually naging opposite pa. I was making more money staying at home, doing Zoom in 37 countries. Kasi we are doing business only internet. Mayroon ba kayo tayong product na hawak na Bitbit? Wala naman. This is all through internet. People can sign up in internet. They can use the application by downloading our myapplication.com, and also our you Pro. So everything we do is technology, internet. So when I start doing Zoom and then I was making more money, I staying home sa biro asawa ko, sabi niya, no more traveling for you. You're making more money staying home. So sabi ko sa asawa ko, no, I still want to meet my leaders kasi I want to build a relationship with my leaders. I want to connect with them. I want to know who they are para matulungan ko rin sila. Kasi sometimes nakikita mo sa Zoom, nakikita mo lahat. You develop relationship, of course. Like Ate Dali, I've been talking to her for so long now. I feel like I know her for a long time. Iba mga tao nito, I have not met them, pero ang feeling ko I know them kasi they're always in the Zoom, right? Pero yung mga tao naman na meet ko in person, now I know exactly kung anong pagkatao nila, personality nila. So it's also easy for me to help them with the business. That's the reason why I travel, because I want to know my leaders. Technically, I can just stay home and do business all over the world. I don't have to go anywhere. So but kung kaya sinasabi ko palagi, if you cannot afford to build a business, kasi alam ko, you have to meet people, you have to spend money, bring them to the Zoom. Like, we can help them sign up in the Zoom. We can teach them how to buy orders in the Zoom. Everything, we can do everything through Zoom. And then pag talagang serious na sila, they really want to build business, then of course you want to meet them, you can sit down with them, you can, pakilala mo sila gusto, you can develop more deeper relationship as a business partner. Then I agree, you have to do it. Kasi, sa akin, I don't want to fly to Japan just to meet somebody because they want to meet me and learn about the business. Paano pagdating ko sa Japan, I spend already thousands of dollars ang airline ticket. Tapos pagdating sabi niya, no, this is not for me, and this is not para sa akin. So I just waste my time and just waste my money. So ako, I'm not afraid people to say no to me. Kaya maganda para ka nag-pre-qualified. Bago ka pumunta sa lugar, bago ka mag-spend 2-3 hours magkita sa tao. We can have some meeting with them. Tapos, let's see kung saan ang kanilang, ang knowledge nila na they can make decision kung gusto na mag-join sa atin o hindi. Kasi, isipin naman, can you imagine that, guys? You're gonna meet something in the restaurant. You're gonna spend $3,000-4,000. You spend 2-3 hours traveling. Pagdating sabi na sa'yo na pag-isipan ko muna, I know my husband, my wife doesn't want me to do it. You just lose your time and money. Pero we need to be more productive. We need to be more practical. You know, we can use Zoom, we can use the internet, we can use technology to run our business. Hindi na natin kailangan palagi makipag-meet pa sa mga tao para lang, or you can even, kung gusto mo talaga ma-meet sila, you can go to their house. You can also do that. So, ang business natin, we are in the biggest market. Can you imagine that si Binance now worth hundreds of billion? We have our own crypto na kalalabas pa lang, gagamitin natin na habang remember, we're a stockholder company. So kung ano man ang kinikita ng ating wallet exchange, because we own stock, we also part of it. Kasi ang binigay sa atin ni CEO na stocks, hindi stocks ng new share lang, stock na buong company. So yung ang ating Umito World, pag may gumagamit, again, we also part of it. Ating Maya, ganun din. Ang ating banking system, ganun din. The banking system alone sa Europe, dati hindi ko maintindihan siya, sabi ni Stefano, Lori, I don't want to be a multimillionaire. I want to become a billionaire. I want to make $1 billion a month. Dati ko maintindihan. Sabi niya, just banking system, I can make $1 million a month. Passive income. So ngayon ko na-realize kasi sa Europe, pag ang mga tao, kanila doon, allowed na sila magamit ng digital bank. Kasi they've been using it for 3 years. Can you imagine that pag umabot ng 100 million ang nag-deposit ng pera sa bangko, nandito siya sa Europe, if Stefano only earned 1% from all of that, 100 million, 1% is 1 million. That's only one way of making money out of 6 or decide pa sa mga stockholders or dagang company. So this is the only company that I can tell you, Stefano will become billionaire. I cannot speak for other company, for other networking company that you're gonna be earning billions of dollars. Can you imagine that 7 years kasi Stefano sa business? Di pa nakaalis sa business, same company, same compensation plan. Na hindi public na ngayon. Kaya sabi sa akin ni Stefano, sabi niya, Lori, ngayon naintindihan ko na. Sabi sa akin, Lori, I know that you used to make a lot of money in the other company. You used that kind of money making $300,000-$400,000 a month. Sabi sa akin, but I can tell you, in 3 to 5 years, you'll be making more money here because you're stockholders of the company. And the money that you make is long-term, not short-term. So, I truly believe that. Kasi nakikita ko sa Stefano. Alam mo si Stefano, he owns 5 houses. Is paid already. Nasa Europe, sa Milan, saka sa Malta. The houses there is worth a lot of money. Kaya marami mga Pilipinas sa Europe. Sa totoo, alam niya ni Ara. Ara can testify. Ara, you can open your if you want, Ara. I just want you to, di ba Ara, kasi ako, I lived in Europe before. Ang dami mga nurses, they make good money. Pero mahirap bumili ng bahay sa Europe kasi ang mahal-mahal ng bahay sa Europe. So, kaya ang mga Pilipino palagi nagbibuild ng sa Pilipinas. They have a beautiful home in the Philippines, but they cannot afford to in Europe. Kahit may mga ang kanilang mga profession, mga nurses. Kasi mahal ang bahay sa Europe. Saka mahal din ang cost of living.
Yeah.
Right, Ara? So to own a house in the Philippines, like Stefano na 5 houses na paid in full. Believe me, guys.
Yes, po. Yes. Good evening, everyone. As I have met Stefano and of course the rest of the DT Socialize board members and of course the board of directors, I am truly I feel so blessed actually being with this company. Kasi po, I've been to a lot of company. Nakita ko talaga yung difference, and they are very warm. Especially now that we, of course, with Stefano, nakita ko talaga how he, let's say from, na-share niya yung from the beginning, and of course until now what he's doing for the company. And truly dito sa Europe, it's not easy actually to build a team and organization, but with the time that he have given to the company is well worth it and deserved niya din. And now that he's buying investments from his earnings, this is something that we all can learn and be inspired to do the business. And this is also why I'm also doing the business, is because nakita ko talaga, na feel ko sa kanila na this is our this is our chance, this is our opportunity to be being part of this company, to go with them, to grow with them, and of course to help each other, we support each other here so that we can all, sabi nga, ma-share natin, especially to our loved ones, sa ating mga friends, family. As I always, kay Ate Lori, kay Ma'am Lori, when she said, we have missed a lot of opportunity, we have missed the chance to invest, we have missed the chance to buy shares of stocks, and this is the time na natutunan natin. So, ano po tayo, let's join hands and work together para mapalaki pa natin. And the moment na the company is growing, the more people downloading Maya and all other application, it will help each and everyone.
Yeah, this is our
thank
redemption
you.
time. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ara. So I want to introduce you guys, Ara. So Ara coach actually is from Amsterdam. Actually, I went to her house. I slept in her house, and we traveled together for the first time. And nag-ating kami out of more than 1,000 people there, kaming dalawa lang ni Ara ang Filipina. Can you imagine that? Kaya na-surprise si Ara na, wow, sa Europe wala pa masyadong pumasok dito. Di pa. Even though the company is around over than 7 years, to be honest, Ara right now is the first Filipina na nag-explode nag-explore ng business ito sa Europe. So I wouldn't be surprised na one day si Ara will be one of the top producers sa Europe. Kasi can you imagine that? She's the one starting it there in Europe. And beside that, si Ara, introduce niya ako sa isang, everybody probably know her, Salvi. Introduce ako sa kay Salvi. And then Salvi is growing here in the business in the US also, doing some every day. And Salvi, I tell you about Salvi, she's been through a lot of these companies that made a lot of money, but unfortunate nagsarado. So kaya sabi sa akin ni Salvi, Ate Lori, I'd rather stay here because safe. Ano mo ang mabilis kumita, mabilis din mawala. So I don't wanna building and then losing. So I wanna make sure that when I build a company, it's here to stay for a long, long time. Hindi lang yung ka lang tapos bigla mawala. So congratulations, Ara. Actually because of Ara, marami mga na ngayon, we have a lot of work to do. We're gonna tulad sinasabi ni Ara, mo sa Europe, especially sa Europe, ang networking company is very, very hard. Kasi ang mga tao sa Europe, and they're very skeptical pagdating sa mga ganito kasi they have jobs, secure job na nakaka-earn sila. Pero dahil sa business na ito, being MLM, being a company in Europe, based in Europe is not easy. Kasi ang mga company, ang mga government, they are very, very strict. You cannot just go and open a networking or a business without going through so many processes. I know that kasi I used to own a business in Germany, and before I used to own a shipping business in Germany. Everybody knows Forex, Ara? You know Forex?
Mhm.
Click buying bucks.
Yes.
You know that? I used to own it in Germany. When you say Forex Germany, I'm the owner, and I'm a partner with yung may-ari. So, ibig ko sabihin, yung bago kami I have to put everything, I have to hire a lawyer, I have to put all the paperwork before we can even start the business. It's not easy, okay? So, that's why having a business in Europe and then, being a public is not an easy, anybody can just do it. So, ang ating company, to become a public company in London Stock Exchange and Euronext is actually a big thing. It's not an easy thing. You cannot just go to London Stock Exchange. London Stock Exchange is the third largest stock exchange in the world. And to become a public company and listed there is a prestige, Yun ang masasabi ko. So, hopefully, tulad ng sinasabi ng actually ang mga tao sa Europe are very excited, kasi they never thought na akalain na isa sa maging board member ay Filipino. Kasi sa Europe, napakahirap makakuha ng mataas na position. Kasi sa mataas na position, hawak ng mga puti.
We're
Di ba,
proud of you,
Ara?
Ma'am
You know that.
Lori. We're so proud
Thank
of
you.
you.
Thank you.
Yes po.
Kaya nga, we're very lucky kasi so far, lahat ng hiningi ko sa CEO na matulungan ang Pilipino, ginawa na niya. Automatic payment ginawa na. Credit card ginawa na. Ngayon, we're gonna start using also credit card as a form of payment. Ginawa din niya. So, after end of this month, we can start using credit card to make payment. So, kung may bayaran ka na $20, you can use your debit card, credit card na. So, lahat ng hiningi ko, binigay na. So far. So, we are lucky kasi isipin mo pag wala kayong spokesperson na director sa CEO, it's very tough kung nagdidepend ka lang sa kung kanino lang, right? But we have access to the CEO. At saka, right now, we have a good reputation. He loves Filipino kasi nakikita niya, we're working hard. So, he's also working hard to make sure na matulungan niya tayo. So, lahat ng hiningi ko so far natulungan, nagawa niya. So, I'm working right now. Hopefully, I can make it happen soon na ang ating commission system maging mabilis, okay? That's just I'm working on it right now. Kasi, so hopefully, kasi tayo, we're only new in the Philippines a year. While in Europe, they've been around for almost 8 years. Kaya sa Europe, when they get paid after 4 days, wala na, tapos na, okay na. So sa atin, kasi we're just new and they're still trying to, work on us. But don't worry, guys. We're getting there. And like I said, I'm your spokesperson. If you get frustrated, I get frustrated. When I get frustrated, I bring it to the CEO. That's how we solve our problem, okay? So, it's not easy, right? Because believe me, I care for you guys, but I also care for the company. But at the end of the day, I want things to get done properly, and I want to get things. I want this company to be, to grow every day, to become a multi-billion company. Not only we are already a multi-billion company, but to become 100 billion company. Because I know with all the application that we have, the Humid World, our own wallet, our own banking system, and everything, this company is just probably a matter of 2 to 3 years, or maybe within 5 years. I will say within 5 years, our company is going to be 100 billion company. And all of us here right now, I can already tell you that doing the business, some of them already are multi-millionaire in assets. You're going to become multi-millionaire, maybe not only in peso, but in dollars also. Kaya, tiyaga lang tayo. Walang kayamanan na hindi pinibuild. Walang kayamanan na overnight. Kasi, kahit dito sa US, mga yumaman dito na sobrang yaman, hindi naman lang ginawa. Just look at Warren Buffett. Mga mayayaman na mga kliyente ko dati sa care home ko, nursing agency ko, hindi naman yumaman in overnight. They accumulate their wealth dahil nabilis ng mga stock shares habang tumatagal lumalaki. So, dito rin tayo. Ang kagandahan lang, we don't have to wait for 10 years, guys. We can wait only for a couple of months. Once we go public, you can start selling your token. Once we go public, our company is gonna go up to 5 billions of yung maya natin, billions. As a company already worth $4 billion before when we go to stock exchange. Pero ang ating maya is only worth couple $100,000 and couple million. Pero pagdating na ng matapos na ito, malabas na, ginagamit na ng tao ang ating maya sa kanilang smart TV, sa kanilang CarPlay, pag ginagamit na ng ang maya sa mga businesses, my goodness, that's gonna hit the roof. It's going to be a multi-billion application. And then all of us may hawak may talk ng NFT, may hawak pa yung micro na nag-mining ng data. Wala tayong patunguhan kundi isang papunta lang sa isang lugar. We all gonna be super wealthy. like I said, when magsarado ng tininda ang company namin, ayoko na magbi-business. Sabi ko, I don't wanna do it. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna retire. Dahil sabi ko, I'm gonna become financially free. Sabi ko, I'm okay. Invest my money in traditional business, stockholders holder ng company, ng ibang company. Pero makita ko sa company ito, hindi ko ma-imagine. It's just a matter of 11 months, I can accumulate 2.5 million in peso. In peso, it's 140 million. In dollars, I accumulate 2.5 million in stock and shares. Kaya nga, minsan, minsan nakakalimutan ko. Kasi sabi ko, Stefano, I need to make a lot of money. Sabi Stefano, Lord, you have a lot of money. You're already multi-millionaire in asset. You already sell it later on, and you're already a millionaire. Sa nakalimutan ko dahil, I'm so used to having a lot of money, making a lot of money. So, sabi, kaya sometimes, we just have to be patient, okay? Kailangan natin maging lang, kasi ang kayamanan, hindi naman yun overnight binibuild. You have to, sabi nila, kaya sabi Salvi, I'd rather build something, slowly but surely. Hindi yung mabilis na mawala. Kasi sa akin sabihin ko sa inyo, ang totoo ay I don't want headache anymore. I don't want people losing money. And then kasi kung ako lang mawala ng pera, I can afford to lose money because I put money only that I can afford to lose. Last year I lost over more than $500,000. I invested in a broker company. I own a broker company and mga stocks, shares. We have 2 offices. Sinarado kasi nag-down ang and then ang company namin tininda. So I lose also a lot of money. But I lose the money that I can afford. Nang malus ko ang pera na yun, hindi naman yun lahat ang pera ko. I paid off my house, I paid off my cars, I have assets. So I can only, kahit nawala ng pera ko na $1 million, sa isang company. But hindi naman lahat ng pera ko yun. So I only lose the money that I can afford to lose. So ganyan din sa inyo rito, I hate to say this, right? Minsan kasi mga tao sinasabi sa akin, Ma'am Lori, kasi po, I lost 5 million, 10 million sa mga ibang company na scam po ako. If you lose millions, I lose million too. But I lose in dollars, you lose in peso. Pero hindi naman tayo magsa-stop kasi ang nakaraan, the past, we cannot undo. Hindi natin undo ang nakaraan. Tapos na eh. But we can still do something in the future. Ang ating past, hindi naman nagdidetect ng future natin. Kaya, I'm gonna tell you this, sabi ko lang sa mga tao. The people that listen to me, I can tell you, if you're just serious, you're gonna have a bright future. Kasi if I'm here, as a person that used to make a lot of money, nagtsatsaga, I tell you, what much more kayo? I spend my own money going to the Philippines. I spend my own money traveling because I believe in the business. I believe in you guys. And nagtsatsaga nga ako. I lose a lot of money every time I travel because I spend my money, but I don't look at that. I look at the company. I am building the business inside the company. And I take ownership of my own business. The way I look at this, if I built Philippines, this is my one franchise. Para ko may added ng franchise na McDonald's. Now when I grew Philippines, the more people are doing the Philippines and business in the Philippines, para ako nagkaroon ng maraming franchise business sa Philippines. When I go to help Coach Ara in Europe, I feel like I'm building also my business in Europe. I'm doing a franchise business in Europe. In the US, also next week I'm gonna be in Hawaii. So now I'm gonna start. I did not. Ito pang first ko na punta ng Hawaii para mag-build ng business. So can you imagine that now I'm gonna build my own franchise business in Hawaii. This is how I look at it. I look at business. I take ownership of my own business. I don't blame nobody. Sideline, downline. Ang success ko sa business ko, nagde-depend sa akin. It doesn't depend on a sideline, upline, downline, or a company. I take fully responsible for my own business. So, andito ako to help you do your business. My goal is to make you a multi-millionaire. To make you one of the successful people in this business. Can you imagine that, guys? Sabi nga sa akin ni Asi, Sabi niya, Lori, why you keep going back to the Philippines? You're spending out money and, and you're spending too much time when sa US, you don't have to travel and you make 10 times more. Sabi ko, Philippines has 120 million population. If I can only help 1% of that, that's 1.2 million mababagong buhay. But hoping we're not gonna only stay for 1%, right? We're gonna be more. So that's how I look at it in my business. That's why I succeed in anything I do, because I look at big pictures. I don't look short term. I look long term. Problema sa mga tao sometimes. Sometimes some people stop the business because they only have short term goal. They don't have a vision for long term. Ako, I'm a visionary. I would not start a business if I know I cannot do it 100%. Because when I do, I put 100% of my energy, 100% of my effort. Because if I cannot do it, I won't do it. Kaya marami mga tao sa akin, gusto nila bayaran ako sa ibang company just to join para sabihin na, andito na si Lori, mag-join na kayo. I stopped them. I said, no. Even my friend wants to pay $5,000 just to join her business para lang magamit pangalan ko. Kasi if they know that when I'm there, mga bleeders kayo mag-move kasi hindi na moving. I don't even want to put my name in any company that I cannot do business. Kasi pagdating na araw, sasabihin na, andito si Lori, nag-collapse ang business. Andito si Lori, nag-collapse ang business. Ay, naku, marami akong nasalaya. Andyan si Lori, collapse naman ang business. I don't want to do that. I only want to do the business that I believe that I can put 100%. If I cannot do it, I don't want to do it. I don't want to put my name on it. Kasi ang inangatan ko, ang reputation. Kasi I still have a lot of good friends. I still have a lot of real friends that follow me na may mga pera. Whatever I do, they follow me. They don't question me because they trust me, they believe in me. Yun ang iningatan ko. Kaya I don't know how people can do 100 million different businesses. More power to them because I can't do it. That's why I'm good what I'm doing because I only focus on one thing. I want to make sure that I succeed. I want to make sure my leaders succeed. The leaders that follow me, the mga leaders na mga paro-paro. Leaders who follow me, I want them to succeed. Because I care more for them. Probably, sometimes, yun ang pag-ano ko kasi sometimes ang mga leaders ko na nag-goal, sometimes I care more for their goal than they probably do it. Kasi, I want them to succeed. Parang ang goal nila naging goal friend. I'm more excited and happy pag nakita ko sila kumikita ng pera. Sila ay nagsasucceed. Kasi sa akin, I love money. Kahit sa totoo lang, if I quit Ushare today, I'm still making millions of dollars a Ushare as my investment. I put couple $100,000 sa UTIC token, sa micro unit, sa NFT. And I because I do the business. And also 30% of the stocks of the company is also worth now a lot of money. So if I quit today, I said I'm gonna retire completely. I stick millions. But I'm not gonna quit because you know why? I see a lot of people need help. I need a lot of people they still wanna achieve a success sa business. Kaya ako, I only help people who are willing. I'm only help people that they want it so bad. Kasi alam mo sa past, sabi na na-frustrate ako sa mga tao na I wanna change their lives. Sila naman, they don't take their life seriously, Sabi nga sa akin ng vice chairman, sabi ko, I don't understand why these people work 2 to 3 jobs when I can teach them how to make money habang natutulog. I can change their life, sabi ko, for better. Sabi naman sa akin ng vice chairman ko, Lori, I know you get frustrated because you want to help your friends. You want to help everybody to succeed, sabi niya. But remember this, sabi niya, the reason why they are the way they are, because the way they think. If everybody thinks like you, everybody's mayayaman, everybody's successful. But unfortunately, everybody doesn't think like you. Tapos nagbiro pa nga, sabi niya, if everybody like you, wala nang janitor, wala nang driver, everybody's making money. Kaya sabi ko, okay, I guess that's what it is. Kaya sabi niya, you know the meaning of poor? Sabi ko sa kanya, that hindi ko alam. Passing opportunity over repeatedly. Kasi ang mga tao, when there's opportunity, sometimes na may miss. Tulad nito, marami tayong na may miss in the past. So hopefully, This is one of a lifetime experience, one of a lifetime opportunity. Can you imagine that the beginning of Facebook, the beginning of internet, parang the beginning of finance, the beginning of credit card? Hawak natin. Can you imagine that? Ang matyaga lang dito, yung sa amin ang matyaga ito talagang walang papatungan kundi ayaman. Ang mga walang tiyaga, nalipat-lipat, o kung saan napupunta, naghahabol ng mga 1, 2, 3, sila naman ang mga 1, 2, 3. I feel bad for them. No, like I said, for the last 1 year, I give out 1,500 to my friend to support them, doing trading platform and other company, doing in clicking, whatever they do. I have not opened my website yet. I don't even know my password. Sarado. Sa akin, may nag-ask. They are embarrassed to ask me. Kasi for the last year, over a year, I'm still in news here. Sila naka-apat 5 company na nasa sarado. Kaya, I always tell people, you do it or not, doesn't matter, do it in the future. Kasi alam mo, ang responsible na income ko is millions of people around the world. Not only one person, but millions of people. Nung gumagamit ang application natin, I'm stockholder, shareholder ng company. So, I still make money. My income doesn't depend on you because you don't join the business. My income is depend around the whole world. Can you imagine that, guys? We are a community. I see Mr. Gerbert is working and still listening. Mr. Gerbert, are you thinking? Kasi I see you're in uniform. Right? So, I can tell that Mr. Gerbert is a little bit, he's very serious in the business because he's at work, but he's listening to us, right? So, thank you, sir, for listening. It doesn't stop him, from this, even though he's at work. Coach Sarah, one of this person, Saturnino in Italy, I can tell when every night when we have a Zoom, he's always wearing uniform. He's at work working in hotel and he's still listening to us. So that tells you, that these people are really interested in the business because kung ang mga tao na sa bahay na walang ginagawa, hindi ka nanonood, siya pa nasa diba? So that tells you these people are really serious in the business.
Yeah.
So we are here. I'm telling you guys, we are here to help you if you want to succeed. Your leaders, you can go to your leaders. You can go, and then your leaders can go to me, or we have chat group, everything. We have everything you need to succeed in this business. Only if you want it. Really, right now. Alam mo ba ang upline ko? Sign me up. Doesn't even put 1 penny in my pocket to travel on the world. Doesn't even call my people or do presentation for me. But he's making money from me, right? Because I travel on the world and I'm putting. Pero it doesn't matter na wala siyang ginagawa, ako mag-stop din because it's my upline. Hindi ko pwede sabihin na, ang upline ko lang ginagawa. But ako magtatrabaho, wala naman, ako lang gumagawa. I don't look at it. Alam mo, when I joined this business, I take full responsibility of my own business. I look at this business. It's like building a company inside a company. That's how I succeed in the business. I take fully responsible for my success. I develop people all over the world because I want to develop them. Not because of my upline, not because I want it. So all of us here, we can also take, look at this. We are all owners, CEO of our own company. So as a CEO and owners of your own company, you also have to take ownership of your own business. Look at this as a multi-business company. You are building a multi-million business inside a multi-billion company. Kasi ang company natin is not 1-year-old company, it's 8 years company. That is already a public company. So as a multi-billion company, you are also building a multi-million company inside the multi-billion company. Because in just a matter of 1 year, I accumulate a couple millions asset in this business. That technically, even if I don't want to work today, I can still make millions. But I'm only in the business for over a year, for building the company. I have I have other people na matutulungan ko pa. And wala naman akong ginagawa. I travel around the world. I mean, I love it. I love traveling around the world. I love meeting people. So why would I quit? So we're just in the beginning. We're just in the beginning, guys. Nakikita ko na in 2 to 3 years from now, I tell you right now, si Mr. Gerbert na dyan sa kanyang office, that's gonna be that's gonna be his history. Sabi niya na, I used to watch song when I was
Naputol.
Do you have any question before we stop?
Wala, ma'am,
Maya-
may suggestion lang, pwede?
Oh yeah, sure.
Kasi ma'am, lahat ng mga member, marami tayong member, pero parang konti pa lang ang nag-a-upload. So, siguro mag-i-implement din tayo na kung pwede, lahat ng mag-registered, mag-upload ng UApp, ng Maya token, because that's what we did in our group, kila Mrs. Black. So, as soon as may mag-registered, sila na mismo ang tinuturoan na registered yourself, ito yung i-click nyo. Pagkatapos, tinuturoan din namin na upload ka agad yung UApp Pro at saka yung Maya. So you will enjoy it, and yeah, they really love it, ma'am. And I said, if anybody would upload our apps, lalong dadami, ma'am, kasi ipasa ng pasa. Kasi marami pa ring member ang hindi nakapag-upload ng hindi nila alam paano gamitin yung product.
Yeah. That's a very good suggestion, Ate Dali. That's why we have this song for us to be brainstorming, and also we accept suggestion, and everything. We are leaders here. I 200% agree with you, Ate Dali, because when people, the moment that they sign up, we need to teach them how to download the UApp Pro and also the Maya, our own Maya.
Yeah.
Kasi pag nakikita nila, nagagamit nila, doon na na-feel ng ating company is a real company.
Yeah.
It's not a joke company. So at saka by using our own UApp Pro, by using our Maya, ang magkukwesa mo mga tao na if you use our own by using our own services, we also get paid. So that's the only way also Ate Dali can understand how we make money in this business. Dahil sabi mo, kung di ka gagamit, ang mga kaibigan mo nagagamit ng ating UApp Pro, they can, or the Maya, they can use it for free but wala silang income. Dahil ikaw, may hawak kang Maya token, meron ka nag-rent ka ng micro unit, meron kang UTIC token, you get paid. Or meron kang NFT. So, that's very simple lang, di ba, Ate Dali? Kasi, lahat ng pinag-usapan natin sa company, we have to educate people ang ating company, what we have, pero at the end of the day, napakasimple na ang ating business. Kung wala kang UTIC token, wala kang Maya token, kung wala kang micro unit, wala kang income.
Yeah.
So, simple lang. So, dalawa ang ating market ngayon, Maya token at saka micro unit. Okay?
Yeah.
So, this is actually very good idea. At saka, di ba sinasabi ko, Ate Dali, na pag pumasok mga tao, we let them sign up by themselves. Turuan natin sila.
Yes, ma'am. So,
We can
that's
we can
why,
hope
ma'am, we're thinking to, kinausap namin si Pebby that we will share, yung sariling link so we can develop ourselves talking, parang ma-assign iba-iba ba. So, yun, pinag-usapan namin si Pebby, si Mrs. Black at ako, mag-subscribe kami ng 1 year na yung Zoom. Tapos sabi naman ni Pebby, don't worry, kumita naman ako na lang mag-sponsor sa Zoom. So, you can always use the Zoom instead na talking on Messenger. You can use the Zoom anytime. I-schedule lang ninyo sinong hahawak. Ibigay ko yung passport para ma-develop din kayo. Tapos, kung mga 3-4 lang, pwede ninyong, you can meet your members through Zoom. So, yun din pinag-usapan namin.
At saka din, Ate Dali, di ba, I teach you guys how to create a free song sa mga tao.
Yes,
na gusto
ma'am,
lang
but only
magkaroon ng
45 minutes lang yata. Kasi
5 minutes.
noon, oo,
Ang ibig ko sabihin, Ate Dali, that's really a good idea ang ginagawa nyo. So you can do that sa mga tao na mag-represent ng business. Pero yung libre Zoom para sa kanila, para sa mga tao na maybe they can just teach them how to sign up,
oo, yun
how to
pwede, ma'am.
how to buy order.
Mm-mm.
They can teach them by having just in 40 minutes you can already teach people how to sign up, how to buy orders. Ang sinasabi ko, naintindihan ko sinasabi mo kasi 45 minutes lang ang limit sa sa libre. So
Oo.
pero yung kung kailangan nilang gamitin sa Zoom meeting, then pwede mo paggamit ang mga link mo sa mga tao mo. Pero yung just for them na anytime may nag-sign up, they can help them to how to sign up and everything.
Yeah.
This statements also to have a free account
Oo.
just in case.
Oo, yun lang naman is plan if the group will grow bigger, tapos para pwede kami makapag-Zoom ng 3 times a day, hindi na mag-antay ng
of course.
oo. So, yun
Yes,
lang naman ang
Ate
plan.
Dali, I agree. Yeah, I agree 100%. The more people are doing Zoom, ating grupo, the faster we're gonna grow as a company, sa business. Kasi, can you imagine that versus only one or two or three Zoom a week? We can have 100 Zoom.
Yeah,
Pag mga tao sa Zoom,
Oo nga.
and they know how to do it, right?
Kasi alam namin
Yeah,
busy
very,
ka, pero yung presentation we said na pag yung bago pa talaga, kailangan sa'yo kasi you are very effective, meron kang maipakita, may result. Kaya sabi ko nga, yung mga big time ko na gusto ko si Ma'am Lori talaga personally ang kasi I don't have confidence kasi wala akong maipakita na share of stock na malaking kinita. Kaya sabi ni Mrs. Black, Lori is very effective. I like the way she present kasi meron talagang proof. Pero yung mga halimbawa sa amin na member na Mamba, yung member na para,
yeah, of course.
Oo. Yun yung plano namin para lahat magkaroon ng confidence at mag-grow din. They know how to assist paano mag ng Zoom. Pero sabi nga ni Phoebe, in the future, meron daw tayong mas maganda. Pero sabi ko, wag na nating antayin ngayon na para lahat habang ang momentum nandoon pa.
Yes, I agree 100%. Yeah. More people are learn how to do Zoom, more people know how to present, that the fastest yung ating business mag-grow. Okay? So, that's mga bago na nandito nakita ko rin maraming mga bago sa Delang Ate. So that's good idea, Ate, we can do it like brainstorming and everything, kasi lahat naman tayo dito ay the purpose of brainstorming and also ma-improve natin ang ating group. So sa mga tao na mga bago na hindi na nakakaintindi pa sa business, sabi ni Ate, so I'm gonna show you sample. This is my one account, right? Because I have multiple account. So yung Juby, andiyan ka ba? Hindi ba, Juby? Alright? Juby, are you still there? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ito siya. Ito siya sabi na yung i-balance natin na yung, Ate Dali na mayroong pag-token, di ba?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
for sa mga bago, baka wala sila. Kasi wala na sila dito. So, can you imagine that ating yung token nabili ko na 24,000, nagiging 30,000, di ba? So, ngayon, ating value ng ating token, sa outside, maliit ang value. Sa inside, $1 na. Dahil ang ating liquidity naman, hindi pa nilagay doon. Kasi ayaw nga ni Marilyn magtinda tayo. So pag nasa London Stock Exchange na tayo, palabas na yun. So maging $1 na. It could be $1 or more. So itong value ng aking token, nabili ko ng 20 cents. Ngayon, dahil $1 na ang token natin, there's 126,000 tokens. Ngayon, naging 126,000 na rin. Dahil $1 na. Nakikita pa ni Dali?
Yes, ma'am.
So I'm gonna give you example dito. So, dahil ito ay isang account ko lang, okay? I'm gonna give you example. Dahil itong 126,000 example, binili ng company. So, ang 10% ng bigay sa aking company is 12,600, okay? So, 12,600 na stocks ang bigay sa akin ng company. I'm gonna total it. So, 12,000 $600 ang worth na stocks bigay sa akin ng company. Ngayon, ang value ng kanilang company na DT Circle token is $25. So, i-times ko sa 25. That means, ate, itong 126,000 ko,
Mm-mm.
ang free na stocks ko sa company is $315,000. Free stocks.
Mm-mm.
Can you imagine that? So, ang 126 ko plus 315, that is... So that means I have $441,000
Wow.
in this 24,000 worth na ano. Kita mo, ate?
Yes, ma'am.
So my $24,000 is worth now $441,000
Mm.
just because by $1 worth bigay ng company. So ito sa iba pa yun kasi yan 30% lang nakita. So pag titingnan mo rito ang ano natin, ang ating credit per stocks, iba din yun
Yes, ma'am.
kasi 30%. So that means I still have 30,624 stocks
Mm.
for the company.
Mm-mm.
Kaya nga, the way we make money is so different than a lot of companies. Para can you imagine that I'm para ko si broken record, I tell you this. Dito sa US, only rich people are putting money, millions and billions of dollars sa mga technology. Tayo may-ari ng technology.
Mm.
Can you imagine that? Stockholders, shareholder tayo, we don't need millions of dollars. We don't need billions of dollars. We become stockholders or own company. Can you imagine that you can be so proud of? Tanong ka ng tao, what do you do for a living? I work for the decentralized multi-billion company. I'm also one of the stockholders of the company.
Mm.
Can you imagine that? You can be proud to say that. Or gusto mo sabi mo, andito ako sa isang company, tinda ng tinda. Or ano, I don't know what you're doing, but anyway. Si Julita, you raise your hands. Can you just unmute yourself? Julita? Julita, can you unmute yourself? There you go. She raised her hand. Ma'am Julita, can you please and just unmute yourself? And did you raise your hands?
Kanina pa yata yan, ma'am. Naka-raise. No, from the very beginning ng ano.
Okay.
Mm.
Okay. So hopefully naintindihan nyo, kasi ang ating company, hindi sanay ang mga Pilipino gumita ng itong pera. Kasi we're just so used to. Alam mo, I have to tell you this. Kasi tayo ating there's nothing wrong with it, no? Kasi lahat naman tayo galing sa Pilipinas. Ang ating kasing parents, pinag-brought up tayo na you have to go to work, get education so that you can go abroad or you can work, can get a good job, di ba? So it is also true. I believe in education. I believe in, this is very important. Pero hindi tayo tinuruan na, wala sa atin nagturo na yung ang pagyaman hindi lang naman sa trabaho. In different ways, yung tulad ng ating mga parents, hindi mo rin sila masisisi na hindi natin tinuruan kung paano kumita ng bumili ng stocks sa shares kasi sila mismo hindi nila alam, hindi nila naman nagawa, di ba? So we cannot blame them.
Yes.
So I'm just very, very lucky or fortunate na my mom is a teacher and my mom is very close to my mom. Na mama is like my best friend. I'm very, very lucky na ang mama ko believe in me. At saka ang mama ko nagbibilib. She's also a teacher but also a businesswoman. Nagbibilib ang mama ko na ang pagyaman, hindi lang sa trabaho. Kasi sabi ng mama ko, wala pa akong kitang yumaman dahil nagpakamatay sa trabaho. Sabi ng mama ko, nakita ko mga tao ng super yaman dahil sa
Negosyo.
sa business. So, I'm very grateful I have a mother like her, that believe in me. Nakita niya ako na I also feel, I also got into the wrong company. But she always believed in me that one day I will become successful. Finding the right company. Kaya napaka-importante talaga finding the right company. Kasi kahit ano pa kagaling mo,